Hi guys, so welcome back. So previously we are already looking at how to search using AI by stock code. Let's say that I put any codes, they return the product, single products. So now we're working on the list. How are we going to working on? Let's say I want to put available anything. Let's say user type list or search stock anything the keyword they found. System checking, they return the list. From here, I put the available, not available. Even I put the not available, will be written which ones are not available. Looking at this one is available or in stock. Either these words, they set system as a written as a list, only written is available true. When the user says not available or out of the stocks, system automatically capture this one is available, it become a false. So written as a false, they return only the false records. So how going to do this? So first, let's create the repo. From here, we already have this single records by stock codes. Now I want to working on the list. So from here, I pass the video, next search, then pass names and category and supplier and is available. But reality here, these all three functions doesn't work. We never implement anything. We implement only is available. Let's say once we put the name, we need to mention here, say the prompt. Okay, if user say so, then have to get the prompt. So you have to tell this kind of information here. But temporarily, I remain this one. But in future, we're going to working on that. So is available as set as a none. So from here, everything's okay. Based on the stock codes, I dapper, then mapping, I return the list to list. That's it. This step already completed. What going to do next? Automatically, we go to the program. So next is we need to check if, because looking at this prompt, if is check the check stock or list stock. So there is a two prompt here, two schema. So we need to call another schema here. For example, if condition. If another if condition means, for example, if let's say the action equal to equal, find as a if action dot equals. So let's do all this stuff. So we checking action equals checking list stock based on the sensitive case, then we have to return the list. So from here, I want to call the repo. So automatically, I call the repo. So from the repo, then as usual, here using stock repo. Okay, then what are going to do next? We get the list. Then is common. We have to checking whether it's the list count or is zero or not. If um, list length of dot count is equal to 0, that should be console. Okay, now stop. That's it. Okay, once we done this one, so we need to pass the continue because we want to still go to next check. So let user to check continuity. If everything is no issue, everything so there's a record found. So we need to use a for loop. So in the loop, I want to return only code, name, quantity, when you practice for the good enough. By relating the repo, I already get all the information, ID, name, everything. But here, I don't want, I just want the code name, but I only want to put 10 records. Here I put 10 records, you can put 100 as well, but since I want 10 for demo, so I can just remain this one, everything as usual, everything fine. Then after we return, it should be continue because we need to keep on chatting with the user. Okay, now we move to demo sections. Uh, let's demo. So what we want then records. Let's say I want to from this case looking at this prompt a release or search or something. Then I see it. So automatically we get all the records, 10 records. As I told you before, since our is based on your model, capacity and your PC performance. So all depend on you, how fast you retrieve the values. You return all the value according to here. Now let's test on the no, not available. Let's see return on. So this is the issue because looking at my table, not available only 3, but he written as usual. So is there something went wrong here? So how to tackle this issue? Because sometimes the user says it's available, so yes, but we better we change to the word as a message contents rather than user says. We say users if a content message contents. So just to change these words, let's try. It's working or not. Still same. So the issue here, the prompt. So we need to change the prompt accordingly. So what is the issue here? Even I put the message contents, it's showing this issue. What we can do? So the changes here. Let me show you. Okay, guys. So the issue here inside there, if you're looking at this one, once I put the message content, I put not available and slash. So it might be sometimes the Ollama chat or the model is might be cannot trigger sometime accordingly. So I need to change a little bit according to change to like this. So not available or out of the stock or conditions. Let's say I want to put something like or or stock. So when I put this case, let's run. So every time remember that after I run, it takes few minutes to update everything. When I return, it can be wrong answer too. Let's see our luck. You see, it's the still didn't written correctly. So the issue here, Sometimes the update anything is take time to go to depend on the performance and model size everything. So let's test after a few minutes. I will show you. I didn't do any changes here. So just wait around a few minutes. Okay, so let's run. Just now I stopped the video around 1 or 2 minutes. So I will come back. So let's try. No stop. Should be work fine. You see? Yes. Good. So reality is whenever do any changes here, we take around 2 to 3 minutes since I'm local host running in the local host. I keep on saying it's set upon your PC performance, the model size, then data interactions. Maybe take time. That's it. Because we're using the intent of the PI a model integrate with the SQL. Okay. If let's say I've just put the list, he will be written 10 records which are available. Okay, correct. So we're looking for these 10 records. Sounds good. No issue. Thank you.